Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by signing into Pinterest and finding the wallpaper you want. Pick images with resolution equal to or higher than your screen to avoid blur. Once saved to your device, make sure to check the pin for any usage notes or watermarks so you avoid copyright issues. If the image is cropped oddly, use Pinterest's download option or open the original image source. Now that you have a clean, high-res file, move immediately to the next step. You now edit the image to fit your screen. Open it in a photo app and set the canvas to your device's exact resolution so the wallpaper fills the display without stretching. Once done, crop to maintain key elements within safe areas, center faces or focal points visually, and use minor adjustments to brightness or contrast to improve legibility of icons. When satisfied, export at full quality or a compressed preset that balances file size and clarity. Then transfer the file to your device. You finish by applying the image as your wallpaper through the device's settings or gallery app. Choose fill, fit, or center scaling depending on how the editor saved it, and set it for home, lock, or both. After applying, inspect icon placement and legibility. If app icons or widgets cover important details, go back and add padding or move the subject visually. If the image still looks off, try re-exporting in the alternate orientation or slightly different crop until it displays correctly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.